Why do most people fail at investing even after years of trying? Let me show you what they're missing. Because your money can't grow if it doesn't have direction. First, goals without timelines are just wishes. You need to define short, medium, and long-term financial targets. Short-term, 1 to 3 years, emergency funds, vacations, a car. These need safety. Think high-yield savings or CDs. Medium term, 3 to 10 years, a home or your kids' tuition. Balance risk. Mix in stocks and bonds. Long term, 10 plus years, retirement or legacy wealth. Now you go heavy on growth stocks. According to LPL research, the S&P 500 has ended higher in about 74% of all rolling one-year periods since 1980. So staying invested over time really does pay off. Second, understand your emotional risk capacity, not just your financial one. Are you risk-averse or comfortable with swings? Bonds and dividend stocks offer peace of mind, while growth stocks and emerging markets bring excitement and volatility. Most investors sit somewhere in the middle, wanting returns without stomach-turning drops. Align your investments with both your timeline and your temperament. Third, the classic rule of thumb. 100 minus your age equals your stock percentage. At 30, you're looking at 70% stocks, 30% bonds. But don't treat it like gospel. This is your starting point, not your financial Bible. Here's the part people forget. Investing is deeply personal. Your strategy must reflect your life, your goals, and your gut. Because when markets crash, and they will, only a plan built on your preferences and risk tolerance will keep you grounded. This isn't just theory. It's the framework that drives every smart investment portfolio. Master this foundation, and you're not just investing. You're investing with clarity and control. This confusion about timelines and risk, it's not going away on its own. Smart money aligns emotion with allocation. You should too. So if you want to turn investing into intention, financial strategy is your GPS. Next up, taxable versus tax-advantaged accounts, and how to save thousands in taxes just by choosing the right one. Smash that like button, subscribe for more quality content in this Smart Start series, and let's keep growing your financial power.